for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, front reading lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.